Welcome! In front of me I have Lenovo Watch S2 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from your phone, or rather Android phone. First, we need to open the Lenovo Smartwatch S2 application on our phone. In the app, we need to tap on Personal Center, select the Watch S2 Pro from the list. Here we need to tap on Remove Device, then tap on Confirm. The device should be gone from the list of devices, like that. Now we can also open the Bluetooth settings on our phone. Check if the our Watch S2 Pro is on the list right here. If it is, tap on the settings icon next to it. Then tap Forget and forget device. But as you can see on our list, it's not here. So we can just close the Bluetooth settings. And at this point, the watch is unpaired from our phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.